My name's Jamie Gray and this is another BCM Tough Test. So shining enough light on any job can always be a bit of a tricky situation when you're working in dark or cramped areas. So we've got the iW5R Flex from Ledlenser. This is an awesome little product. So great design and functionality are the key standouts on this awesome little Ledlenser torch. The folding design in itself is quite unique, so you can really find the perfect angle when you're working with this particular torch. And look, we've got two different brightness settings there for the torch. We've also got a very cool little LED on the end here for being able to find more directional usage. And what makes this thing even better is we've got a great little remounted hook and a magnet to be able to work hands-free where we're in tight scenarios. This awesome little compact floodlight scores some serious points in functionality and brightness, punching out an awesome 600 lumens. So this great little compact floodlight has got a lithium-ion rechargeable battery, which is taking around 240 minutes to charge. It's got a 3.7 volt battery, which is punching out around 2600 MAH. And as you can see here, we've got a little battery indicator light. We've got a little charger plug in there, so it's really quick and easy. And just to show you the flexibility in terms of the hinge and the two different power settings, plus the more direct single light, these super bright LEDs are doing a great job. So I gotta confess, I am a complete sucker when it comes for cool gadgets and torches and things like that, but don't let the compact size of this little unit fool you. The 600 lumens was a heap bright enough, and I love the fact that we could use the magnet or the hook to work hands-free in those dark areas. You're gonna be able to find a pile of tasks where you'll be able to use this little guy. So well done, Ledlenser, on an awesome little torch. Don't forget to check out my review in the next issue of BCM. Till next time, make sure you stay really safe on site, and we'll catch you soon.